In this video, we are going to look at how to find the area of a triangle. First thing that I want to talk about is that a triangle, the angles should always equal 180 degrees, meaning this angle, and that angle will equal. So that's a symbol for angle, by the way. Angle will equal 180 degrees. But say we're given a question that says something like, the question is, find the area of an equilateral triangle with sides of 6 centimeters. And what an equilateral triangle means is that each side is equal. It says it in the name. Equilateral, equal sides, meaning all 3 of these are going to be 6 centimeters. So, and now we have to remember, what is the formula for the area of a triangle? Well, the area equals base times height divided by 2. But we don't know what the base, or we don't know what the height is, because the height isn't the 6 centimeters. The height is the green line. So you need to figure that out. And how do you figure that out? Well, you draw another picture. You're given that this is 6 centimeters, and you're given that this whole distance is 6, meaning half the distance would be 3. And you guys should know Pythagoras, so that would be a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and c squared is the hypotenuse, so a squared would equal c squared minus b squared, given that that is a right angle. We are looking for a squared, but we know, we're looking for a, but we know that c is 6, so c squared minus 3 squared would equal 36 minus 9 would equal, it would equal 27. That means that the height of the triangle is the square root of 27, because a squared equals 27, so a equals square root 27, meaning the area equals base, which is 6, times square root 27 over 2, which equals 3 times square root 27. But we can do something with that square root of 27, because that equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or equals 3 times 3 root 3, which equals 9 roots of 3. And why can you pull out that 3 right there? It's because 3 times 3 makes a perfect square, and you can pull that out of the square root.